Kayakers dead ahead. I don't know, there's 5 of them. There's 5. Those are canoeists. They're in canoes. How you doing? Having a beautiful day. Not too bad about yourself.
You got the hardships, no guess tomorrow.
Yeah, nothing compared to Blake Point yesterday, brother. Safe paddling. Hikers. See them? Those lovely rock-faced trails. They're heading for their cheeseburger. Damn, my Garmin says we're going by the Susie Cave Trail pretty quick. Actually, we're right across from the Susie Cave Trail. Should be right down in there. We've come 1.8 miles. Ask me that after I get out. 38 minutes. 2.9 miles an hour is what we're averaging right now. Huh? 1.8 miles, and we're averaging 2.9 miles an hour. No, 2.9. Oh, all I can say is this beats hiking. My back ain't dying, my knees ain't hurting. Okay. Let me know when you're past and I'll wait for you. Right.
Right, so.
Yeah, the funny part is I was thinking when Shane said, wow, Mom, you guys got great internet this time. The answer to that is, yeah, we don't have to keep climbing up to a freaking 900 or 1,000 foot ridge to see Canada. Yeah. We're looking at it from the shoreline.
Comparing us to the canoes, and they, going with the wind, looked like they were having a harder time than we.
I know.
And I think it's because there's some of the gravity stuff.
Yeah. I don't like canoes.
No, me neither, because you're a big sail.
Right. Plus, it's real. I always felt real tippy in a canoe.
No, I didn't want to roll, but I didn't feel like rolling.
I didn't feel like I was sitting on a fence rail in a hurricane.
I didn't have the sense that you're going to roll over.
When the waves were hitting me broadside, I could tell I could lean into the wave, and the wave would just pick me up on top instead of making me feel it like it wanted to dump me over.
The other thing I was doing was paddling on the opposite side of the wave.
Yeah, there was a few times there where I'd paddle this side, hit water, this side would hit nothing. Yes, ma'am. When we get past that point with the little pine tree sticking out, we're already be past 3 Mile. That's that part where you're walking in the woods and you turn and you walk back. There's 3 Mile dock right there. There's the mini Voyagers at 3 Mile dock. No, that's a Ranger boat. Right there. Oh. No, that's not the Voyager.
I didn't think it was the doctor, so I didn't think it was.
No, it's a Ranger boat. Hikers.
Steve was going with the saline solution.
What?
Not Steve. Sean. Yesterday when we met him the last time walking.
Yeah.
Going with saline solution.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I said they keep you hopping, and he said, not by choice. Because he had told me, I ran into him when you weren't with me. I think it was when I was walking, and he was like carrying a file and like a medical bag, because he's an EMT. And he goes, man, I really intended to come visit you and Beth, but I just, can't. People sitting, people up on the, hikers up on the ridge again. It's like too soon for a break, people.
It seemed like you stayed at 60 degrees for a long time.
Yeah.
But we did the whole length of the...
Yeah, because that's basically the angle on which it runs.
Yeah.
All the hikers are heading to Rock Harbor.
Right, which means
They're going to catch their boats and shit.
hopefully we see a lot coming from these.
It'll be harder to see them because you walk so much in the woods.
But if these people are catching the theme, they're different times.
Oh yeah, they have plenty of time. It don't leave till 2:30. I believe it says you should be on the dock by 1:45 to start loading. They leave at 2:45. Unless everybody on their manifest is on the boat. We've been on there where they've asked if anybody minds if we leave early.
Gotta pick up at Daisy time.
What?
Gotta pick up at Daisy time.
Oh man, he had like 3 or 4 people on the boat. There's our favorite place, 1 o'clock. The shelter with the little dock. No, this is park service. He throttled down. He throttled down for us. .4 miles to hike from that shelter to Daisy. Huh? Yep. Every time I hiked it like 4 times. It's been 4.4 miles every time, both directions, to shelter 4 or 5. If you really zoom out on this Garmin and the map in this area, you can see 4 distinct paths because I never really walked exactly in the same place. Shelters are empty, man. We couldn't get our kayaks out of the water there. It's funny, they're standing there looking at their map, trying to figure out where they are, and they're that close. Another 150 yards, they'd be at the campground sign. Oh, they might be looking at the Mount Franklin Junction, deciding if they want to go up and over. Is that where they're standing at? It's right at the junction post. That one we came down so dead and met Mike and Magassi. It's kind of funny, all the different memories that come up at different places.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, I remember this, I remember that. Yeah, my eyeglass got full of water from a splash.